Young Tsunami. I already know what it is. I ain't gotta say no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some chicken fajitas. They smell so delicious. This is a pretty easy recipe that you can make at home. You can make for dinner, you can make as a side dish to a party, anywhere. This is the rest of the chicken fajitas. If you want to learn how to make it, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I've already washed my bell peppers. I'm just cutting it open and I'm taking out all that white stuff that's inside. Also, when I cut it open, there's also some white stuff attached to the bell peppers that you guys can see inside. Just go ahead and take that white stuff out and then go ahead and just cut them up. So now I'm going ahead and cut the onion open. I'm not putting too much onion in it. This is a pretty big onion I have, so what you see is what I'm putting. You can't forget the jalapeno pepper. Obviously, these are pretty spicy. I'm taking all the white stuff again and then just cutting them up. Okay, so we're gonna need some chicken breasts. I have 6 breasts in here. You can get less if you're making less food for less people. My family is pretty big, so this is why I'm using the whole pack. So 6 of these, I already washed them and they are ready to get cut. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the seasonings on top. All right, so here are my breasts. You saw all that white stuff? That's all fine. Just go ahead and just remove that from your chicken. You don't need it. Some people like keeping it on. I guess if you want it, then keep it, but I don't like to, so that's why I cut it off. So just cut those little suckers up. I'm doing them kind of long because that's just how fajitas look, so cutting them long. Alright, so this right here are our seasonings that we're going to be adding to our chicken breasts. So first off, we got our parsley. We have lemon and pepper seasoning. We have some dark chili powder. I love that seasoning. We have, of course, black pepper. We cannot forget that. Garlic powder. This is my favorite and I use it for everything. And then my favorite Caldo de Pollo seasoning. Alright, so you can see how my chicken is cut up. It's all nice and cut. Okay, so I will be adding this canola oil. You can use any oil you like. This is just the one that I'm using for. So we're gonna start with the garlic powder. Po. And then the black pepper. Next, I'm adding the dark chili powder. Then the lemon and pepper seasoning. And then right here we got the parsley. Yum. After you got everything in there, it's time to get down and dirty, and then just go ahead and just mix everything up. Mix it. Don't be scared. Is it just me, or is this like oddly satisfying? Maybe I'm just weird. I went ahead and added some more seasonings. I love adding that chili powder. Went ahead and added some more garlic powder. Now I'm just mixing it around again. This right here is probably one of the most important ingredients that you will need for your chicken. So this right here is a yellow lemon. You will just need to cut it up and then add it to your chicken. You will need all that juice in there. This is what will give your chicken good flavor. Alright, and now last, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken flavor seasoning. This is what I use for salt. So instead of using salt, this is my salt. This is what I use for everything. You can start warming up your oil, making sure that it's nice and hot before you put your chicken. Okay, so I have all my chicken ready. I already put in all the ingredients that I was going to put in there, as you guys seen. I also have my skillet already, and the oil I think should be warm by now. So I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken inside and then just let it cook. Alright, so here's my chicken. And then here's my skillet. So once it's all in, just make sure to be mixing it around so it can cook evenly. As it starts cooking, you're going to start seeing it let this like juice come out, and that's exactly what you want to see. Eventually your oil will dry out, and then your chicken is going to start cooking on this juice. You can go ahead and put the lid on. Leave it on for a few seconds and just be mixing it around so it, like I said, so it can cook evenly. Guys, this is like a quick, easy food dinner that you can make. Honestly, all you need is the bell peppers, like I showed you guys, the seasonings, the chicken, and then voila, that's pretty much all you need. It's so good, it's delicious, it's one of our favorite dishes here at the house, and I highly recommend it. So as you guys can see, it's starting to let out that like juice that I told you guys about. And then make sure to keep mixing it so it can cook evenly. That way it all cooks together. So yes guys, just mix it up. As you guys can see, look close up, it's starting to let out that juice already that I told you guys. And so pretty much the chicken is just gonna cook on that juice. It smells delicious. so good, guys. Highly recommend it. Bestest food that you can ever make. Bestest food that you can ever make. So delicious. So now I mix it around. I'm gonna put the lid again, and then I'm just gonna let it cook for a few more seconds, probably like another minute, and then just keep mixing it and just be taking up our chicken. Make sure it doesn't burn. It smells so good already, guys. I wish you guys were here so you guys can smell it. You guys would seriously be licking your fingers. Okay, so as you can see, it has a lot of juice. Come up, Manny, please. Has a lot of juice in here. So what we're hoping for is for all this juice to just dry up. Once we start seeing this juice dry up, and when there's only like a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and put in the bell peppers. So right now it has way too much juice, so just go ahead and keep mixing it around. Keep mixing it around. And then, like I said, once it's dried up, we'll go ahead and put the peppers, okay? Okay, baby, so it is magic time. So as you guys can see, the juice is getting sucked up by the chicken. There is still some in there, but there is a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and throw all the stuff that we cut up, and we're gonna go ahead and throw it in here, okay? Just throw it in there, just throw it in there, honey, don't be scared. Just throw it in there. And the reason I put this stuff after is because if I put it before, if I put all this stuff before, there's not gonna be any stuff. All this stuff will just get nasty and tiny, and it will just all vanish. So once it's all in there, just go ahead and just mix it up. And we want the bell peppers and the onion, all this stuff to just pretty much get sauteed, and for it to get nice and soft. So just go ahead and just keep mixing around, and then once you see that it's nice and soft, then you can turn it off. But we will be back. All right, guys, so we are done. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? God, guys, this smells so good. It was nice and quick. On top of it being really easy to make, it is very good. This is one of our favorite Mexican dishes here at our house, and I highly recommend it. I also went ahead and made a side dish of some refried beans. If you want to learn how to make this, go ahead and just let me know down in the comments. I am not showing how to make it on this video, but if you want to know, just let me know and maybe I'll make it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.